Hello everyone. How are you? I am Suhas from letslearnothings.com. Today we are going to see how does gravity works. So let's start. You ever wondered about objects thrown in upward comes down after some time? Or why planets revolving around the sun? This is because the fundamental force present in nature, which is called as gravitational force. Can you ever amazed about how Newton discovered gravity? Yes or no? Then here I am to help you to understanding of gravity, how it works. Actually, Newton discovered the gravity in 1687, which is present from the birth of universe. Then he formulated gravity in single formula, and he proposed a theory of showing how gravity works and how its attraction force works. Newton's gravitation law state that every object in the universe attract every other object by definite force, whose magnitude is directly proportional to the product of their masses, and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them, measured from their centers. This law is universally accepted, that is, this law is applicable in all points in the universe for two or more interacting objects. Every object stood on Earth, atmosphere around the Earth, planets revolving around the Sun is because of gravitational force between them. This force also responsible for weight of the objects. If your weight is 75 kg on Earth, then on Mars, your weight only count for 28.4 kg. That is magnitude of gravitational force. Depends upon mass of the object and distance between them. This force also present in two nearby objects of weights 100 kg, for example 2 Perkins. Living and non-living things, but in this case they does not attract it to each other because the gravitational force present between two objects with small amount mass is very low, which does not overcome inertia of remains in their state of rest or state of motion off an object. Okay friends, today we will stop here. Let's meet in next video. To watch more exciting videos like this, please like, share and subscribe the channel. And last one question for you. Is gravitational force and weight is different or same? Comment the answer. Okay, goodbye.